Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will teach you on how to add watermark on your YouTube video. So if you want to know, just continue watching. First, let's go to Google Chrome. So make it sure that your account is already logged in here in your Google Chrome. So for example, this is my account. As you can see there's a three dot at the right top. So you just click and then select or check this desktop site. So you just select desktop site. Okay, check. So this is the layout of desktop site when you check the desktop site. Okay, so now click your profile at the right top, or your profile picture here. Okay, then go to your channel and then go to YouTube Studio. Continue to Studio. Okay. So as you can see, I will zoom in, okay? Because I am just using a cell phone right now. So as you can see, below the $sign, there's a magic wand icon, something like that. So this one, click here. So customization. Okay, so channel customization. So now you can see here the layout, the branding, and the basic info, right? Layout, branding, and basic info. Okay, so we will choose the branding because our topic for today is about adding a watermark on your video. So for example, this one, video watermark, new update of their application. So now, as you can see, change and remove, because I already add a watermark or a picture for my watermark. So for example, you want to change, so click change. So then select video. So I select this one, then check done here, and then click done. So as you can see here, now there's a watermark appear. Okay, so then you just select a display time if you want only end video, or custom start time, or entire video. So you have to select the display time of your watermark. For me, I will choose entire video. Okay, then you have to click the publish to save your watermark. So now as you can see, changes published. So go to channel. Okay, so let's go to my channel. So okay, let's try it. Let's play one video if it's working, or we will check if there's a watermark on my video. Okay, so now it's working. So as you can see on my right side, there's a watermark. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be notified when I upload new videos. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share to my video. And subscribe. Thank you and God bless. See you on my next video.